Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to go for something a little bit more classic Thai. So this weekend is a long weekend, so a lot of places are closed. I've been to about 3 or 4 different places down here, they're all closed. The only place I could find is this one. Hopefully they could do a Khai Jiao. So I was here before and I had a Pad Kee Mao, which was very, very nice. We're going to have an omelet today. There it is there, look. So the Khai Jiao, Mu Sap, and I think that's it, I think. Yeah. What do you normally have with that? What else? Khai Jiao, Mu Sap, and
Pad Kee Mao.
Pad Kee Mao is a bit too much.
Too much. Okay.
What about this one? What is this?
Noodle.
The Pad Kee Mao, is it?
Kee Mao. Okay.
Okay, Pad Kee Mao. Mu?
Kee Mao Mu. Noodle too.
Chai, huh?
Okay.
We call Mama Pak. Is it Mama Pak? Pak Mama. Pak Mama.
Kee Mao.
Okay, huh? Okay, so I've got 2 dishes, hopefully. It's really, really nice. Anyway, let's check this one out. This is a noodle restaurant next door because everything is closed today. Everybody's going in there to eat. This is a really good restaurant now. Maybe I'll come here when it's not so busy. No, I'm okay, thank you. Alright, here we go. Got moo grub in there as well. Oh, moo grub looks really good. Starting to really like moo grub. So for my Thai viewers who can read Thai, this is the menu. Let us know in the comments if you think that's good. I've got no idea what it says. I go by the pictures. The new grub. What a cup. Khai Jiao. Oh, I could smash from that line out. Oh, look at that. So what I've ordered is called Drunken Noodles and omelet with pork. I'm absolutely starving and this food is smelling really, really good. Might be that moo grub, it's just a really, really nice smell, and she's just added garlic, so there's like really garlicky smell in the air as well. Oh, come and check this out. You see what I mean? The smell in the air. Wow. So what I'll do, I'll come back and I'll have a moo grub dish. Get on the internet and Google moo grub and let us know in the comments what you want me to eat it with. Have it with noodles and rice. I don't know. Check it out and let me know in the comments. Also, I want to say thank you to all the new people that subscribed this month. You guys are awesome. Really are awesome. It means a lot. Cheers. Also, I'll leave a link for this place down in the description, plus a link to the video where I had the Pad Kee Mao. So if you get bored later, you can go and watch another ace video from this restaurant. Just spotted my omelette. It's going to be here very, very soon. Or right about now, actually. Here we go. Don't know what happened to my noodles, but yeah, we just crack on with this first. Cap on cap. So this is a classic Thai omelette. Comes with the sriracha sauce, is it? Spicy sauce. I think there's maybe a few onions in there and a bit of pork. What we'll do, we'll get a bit of that sauce on there and eat it. And I'll just pour it all over. Take a look at that. Okay, here we go. Wow. Got to try a Thai omelette when you come to Thailand. Still got some more food coming after this as well. And what we'll do at the end of the video, we'll go and get a drink. Can you guess what I'm going to drink today? Let us know in the comments. So, a lot of people have been asking me, why did you start YouTube? And I think it was because of watching Mark Wiens when he used to go around Bangkok doing the food videos there. Yeah, Mark Wiens, probably my hero when it comes to food videos. Not had an omelette in a very long time. Yeah, good that. Rice is nice. Here comes my other dish. Oh, cap on cap. I'm going to crack on with this.
You want this?
Oh no, thank you. Cap on. And I'll bring you back in a second. And there we have it all gone. But look at this. Oh yeah. I think there's a story behind this dish. There's some drunk guy came home one night and he didn't have any food, and he just looked in the fridge and he just found all the leftovers and mixed them all up together, and that's how this dish was born, apparently. If you know any other stories, let us know in the comments. Oh, it's so good. A bit spicy as well. Got pad thorns in there. Yeah, this is good. It is hot though. When you get it, if you do get one, tell them to calm down with the spice level. The peppercorns, they're already spicy. Starting to feel full. A bit greedy, aren't I, ordering two? But when food's this good, I'll go for it. Fantastic. I'll leave the name of the dishes down in the description. You just Google them, see exactly what I'm eating. Wow. Really hot as well because you just cooked it. I'm going to crack on and eat this, and I'll catch you when it's time to get the bill. Proper done in, well full. Check binนะครับ Check bin เท่าไหร่
170 ค่ะ
170, 170. A bit more than what you'd normally pay. Yeah, that was cost a lot more than what I normally pay. I'd normally pay about 50 baht for one dish. Yeah, so I should have been 100 baht really. Maybe I'm just being tight, but yeah. Up to you if you want to pay that much. You can get it cheaper other places. Anyway, let's go and get a drink. So, are we going to get a hello and welcome today?
Hello, welcome.
Yes, we did. Okay, what are we going to have? Feel like a coffee or a tea. I do like my teas. I told you that in the last one, didn't I? Anyway, you have to wait until we get outside. Okay, so today we have a coffee latte, something like that. Anyway, so let us know in the comments what you thought about today's lunch. Was that too expensive? Would you pay that much? That should have been about 100 baht really. I think I paid 70 baht too much. Anyway, still nice. Anyway, let us know in the comments and I'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe button, and see you in the next video.